Hey guys, I want to show you this new radio that I got today. Really cool. There you can see the shipping material, and it's a neat little Kadette. Check this mess out. You gotta laugh about it. There's a look at the chassis. So maybe one of these days I'll get around to doing a restore on this little Kadette. I thought I would go over to my storage unit and grab another one of my projects I want to work on. You guys saw there in the way I kicked off the video with some footage from my old introduction videos, the little Kadette. Similar to the Teledial, they called it, a Tele-matic. But that's what I got left of this thing. I'm going to have to go back and watch the previous videos and see if I actually did any testing. Left the schematic in here in my box. And here's my cabinet. You guys that watch the first videos, and I'll put a little link here. You can pop on it and catch up on the first two videos. This thing got destroyed in shipping, and I was trying to debate if I wanted to keep it or not, but I thought I would. So that's what's left of the cabinet itself. And I tell you, the chassis is not in too great a shape either. Yeah, I don't even know why I kept this thing, honestly. Looks pretty rough. We'll do some basic tests and just see if this thing's even worthwhile. I don't think I ever got around to checking the power transformer or the coils, and I may do some of that online and share that with you guys, and just see if this thing is a candidate for a restore. The cool thing, if it is, the cabinet itself will be a lot of fun to go back and reproduce. I think I can use maybe some of the sides and have a general idea how to reassemble this thing. Let me get the speaker back up here one more time. Yeah, the speaker's got a big old hole in the cone, so we'll need to repair that or recone the speaker, assuming we get that far in the restoration. You can see right in here where it's busted up. Output transformer looks suspect. You can see where it leads just kind of tied in, dangling here in the air. That doesn't look original to me. Maybe a replacement at some point in time. And I would guess this to be the original speaker. Alright, here's another bag of parts. The single tube that I got with the radio, and this is the tuning assembly here I just put down in the baggie to keep. Very similar to the Teledial, same concept. So again, I'll put the links in here. You guys can go back and catch the first and second video I did, and I'll just create a series on this. And we'll start out on the chassis itself and the speaker after I go back and watch the videos myself. Make sure I'm not duplicating my efforts, and see if we can do anything with this thing at all. Should be fun. Thanks again for watching, folks.